To set up Kik donation, first of all, you have to open this website, botrix.live. In this website, you have to sign in with any of this option. I'm going to sign in with my Twitch account. Once you successfully signed in, you directly jump into profile page. In this page, scroll down and here you will find Kik option. Now click on sign in with Kik and just click on allow access. That's how. Go ahead and connect your Kik account here, and now we have to verify. So click this link and you directly jump into your Kik roles moderator section. In this box, type here Botrix and select Botrix. Click on add. Once the Botrix added, go back to the Botrix website and just click on verify, and here you can see I've successfully linked my Kik account with Botrix. And now here we can see the donation, and this is the donation link. This link I have to share with my viewers to get or receive donations. Now click on this pencil icon to set up donation, and here click on yes. And now to set up donation, here you have to add your PayPal account email address. So just add here your PayPal account email address and click on confirm. After that, your PayPal account will be connected with this Botrix donation, and then go to alerts. In here, select tip donate, and now you can go ahead and customize your donation settings from here. And that's how we can set up donation for our Kik.